Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to begin. Plug in and charge until the battery reaches about 50%, then connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Sign in with your school Google account and follow prompts to enable two-step verification for security. Once signed in, install the essentials: Google Classroom, Docs, Drive, plus any LMS shortcuts your teacher uses. Make sure sync is on so your bookmarks and extensions carry over. This saves time and prevents lost work when you switch devices. Now set up your workflow. Create a Drive hierarchy: year, then class, then assignments, so every file has a home. Enable offline access for docs, sheets, and slides so you can work without Wi-Fi. Once done, pin frequently used apps to the shelf for one-click access. Make use of split screen and multiple virtual desktops to separate research from writing, and learn key shortcuts like Control plus Shift plus Window Switcher to move windows quickly. These steps speed up daily tasks and reduce last-minute finish assignments by exporting to the required format. PDF for final submissions is common, and verify upload in your LMS before the deadline. If an upload or sync fails, clear the browser cache, reboot the Chromebook, and reconnect to Wi-Fi. If that doesn't help, contact school IT with exact error messages. Make sure to test a submission in incognito to rule out extension interference. Once submitted, confirm receipt with your teacher and archive the file in Drive so you have a backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.